Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials. Charge level and saved work so nothing interrupts you. Press and hold the phone power button until the power menu appears. This is the first actionable step. Once the menu shows, make sure you see restart or power off options, because the next move uses a long press on one of those. You do this to trigger the boot level option. It's faster and safer than digging through settings, and it avoids accidental factory resets. Once done with the power menu, long press the power off entry until a safe mode prompt appears. This tells the system to load only core apps so you can test problems. You then tap OK or Confirm, and the device will reboot. During startup, the phone loads minimal services. Make sure to watch for a safe mode label in the corner. This isolates third-party apps so you can identify conflicts without uninstalling things blindly. To finish, reboot normally when you're done testing. A standard restart returns you to full mode. If problems vanished in safe mode, uninstall recent or suspicious apps one at a time and retest, because that's usually the cause. If safe mode doesn't activate, try the hardware key combo. Power off, then power on while holding volume down. That alternate method often works. If you still have issues, make sure the firmware is up to date before deeper repairs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.